What's up, YouTubers? It's your mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Please, guys, without wasting much time, if you are new to this channel, please click the like, click the subscribe, and notification bell thing so that you get notified every time I drop. So, guys, today I'll be showing you guys how just about to trade Bitcoin, BTC on the chart. As I know that many people they invest in Bitcoin in a different way, but I'll be showing you the much simpler way of trading it smaller in small volume and be able to predict the future moves, the forecast of the Bitcoin. So grab your pen and paper. Let's get into the charts. We in the chat, guys, with the Forex Heroes head mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe button so that you get notified every time I drop, guys. I'll be doing much more valuable information about Forex trading, and you can learn also by following my videos. But if you like to learn directly from me, click the link below and make sure you go to our website and make sure that you get the Forex Heroes course. Okay, now I'm looking at the Bitcoin. This is 1 hour, so I'm gonna start with higher time frame. Then what I'm gonna do, as you can see, we had a similar pattern. Okay, let me remove. What we are looking at currently, we have some sort of a downtrend. As you would see that this was basically impulsive down, correction, further impulse, and then this will be a correction impulse. So now we are in a correction and expecting a move to the downside on daily. So now I've seen what the bigger time frame is telling us, but now let's start by identifying our highest point. Then our lowest point will be this, but subsequent to that, we're looking at this. This is lower than this. Okay. So as I told you guys, I don't like to put everything, like you can put your sensitive areas there and there. And another one will be here. But I don't like doing that. I just like to keep my charts clean. So, but for explanation purpose, you can put to practice your mind and be able to see what is currently happening. So let me just remove all these many lines. So I'll just use another line, which is here, because I can see we are playing within this area. Okay. So now I'm gonna quickly draw my trend line. Okay. Now you can see we are in a downtrend, and then I'll clone it. Because if I were to take it from here, you look something like this. But yes, indeed, we have the second touch here. You can take it like this as well. Okay, yeah. Then I would go down to a smaller time frame. I will only use this certain areas should I see a possible move going to the upside. But now I've pointed it out, and then, okay, let's go to 4 hour. Okay. This should be visible on all. Yes. Okay, fine. For our time frame, as you know, we do a top-down analysis. We start from higher time frame, going into smaller time frame and eventually our 1 hour time frame where we take our trades. Okay. Now I'm looking at this and I can see already where the market is. I have a chart pattern here, which was in a form of a small uptrend. As you can see, the market has just been rejecting this level, pushing up, okay, creating higher highs, okay. Let's see. Now I will draw my significant area, which will be this. And the other one will be something like this, because you can see this came back to retest this particular area, hence it pushed to the upside. Then I will clone this. Use this. Okay, now I have my zones. So these boxes are my zones. Okay, let's see 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's see now. Okay, you can see with this area was very much sensitive because the market pushed down, closed, and came back, bounced here a lot of times, creating a falling wedge. This is a falling wedge. Guys, make sure you familiarize yourself with chart patterns. A falling wedge, and then it pushed to the 90% rule where the falling wedge starts. Okay. Now let's look. So it showed that this particular area is very strong. Hence, you could see the market failed to break it above and then it pushed down. So what I'm looking at currently, I'm seeing a move. Bigger move is coming, guys. We are having a correction to the upside, but don't forget that the market can possibly break this, come back, retest this line. As I've explained that we have diagonal resistance and diagonal support. You can see this is a diagonal resistance currently, but once it breaks this, come back here, now it becomes a support. Hence, this is the support. The market is here, is playing above it. Okay, and then here the market is playing below this one. Okay, so once it breaks here, we're gonna wait for a retest. Then we're gonna buy Bitcoin. So I'll use this sensitive area. Once we break impulsively, we break strongly, then we're gonna wait to buy. But currently we are looking at selling Bitcoin because I have this. Okay, we have this correction. We have this correction. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Our first TP will be here. And then our second TP, and eventually we break to the downside, having our third TP. If it benefits us and it passes, can go at most to the downside coming here. As I've mentioned that we have our lower point, which can be this. So we are looking at having a very strong long-term sell coming to this point here. And then here we can look at buying again to the upside. You understand? So make sure you understand what is currently happening and you are aware of your chart patterns and your candlestick formations. But the stronger resistance is this one, because it's possible you can come here, retest, and go to the downside. So I would strongly advise, if you are taking your big buy moves, wait for the market to break here, retest, and then that's when we're gonna buy hard, because we know we're broken down out of the daily trend line. Buy hard. This would be down trend validation. Okay. So here we can still buy, but you have to be aware that the market can come back, touch here, and further go to the downside. Hence, we are having this as a correction. So my bias at the moment is going short on Bitcoin. So guys, make sure you get into your charts and prepare for the market. Trade your plan your trade, plan your trade, trade your plan. It's your mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Make sure, guys, you click the like, subscribe, share, and notification bell. Make sure, guys, you share it with the rest of the world. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. See you in my next video.